So what we're going to start with is actually bringing this reference image in to your camera roll on your iPad. And by doing that, it will allow Procreate to see the reference image and be able to pull it up in our reference screen here on the iPad. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and turn off the sketch. I don't want it to show on the screen because what I'm going to share to the camera roll will look exactly like what the screen looks like. So we can go to our wrench tool and then go to share. So you can see that share is now blue and activated. And I'm going to share a JPEG. It's going to say that it's exporting, and then I'm going to click Save Image. By doing that, it has transferred that to your camera roll. So now if we go again into the wrench, if you already had it open, that's perfect. And we want to go to Canvas, and then we're going to turn on the reference image. So this is the reference screen, and it's a way for us to be able to see the reference image while we're still working on our file. So at the bottom of this reference box, it gives you the option of canvas, image, or face. Right now, it's showing what's on my canvas. So if I turned this off over here to be able to work on our sketch, you can see that the reference image is not there anymore. So we want to choose or activate image, and then we're going to import an image, and we'll import that image that we just uploaded to our camera roll. Now we have it set here